Netflix devices manage, how to manage Netflix login devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can manage your Netflix login devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say over time that many people has happened to log into your Netflix account and then you want to log them out of your Netflix account by managing those devices. Well, it's relatively quite simple to do that. You can open up the Netflix application and just make sure you first of all sign into one of your accounts here. Then once you sign into your account, this is the interface that you're going to see. Then tap the My Netflix option from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side that looks like a hamburger menu icon. Then simply go to the account settings. So once you go to account over here, you'll be able to see a couple of details, but you want to scroll here, you can see manage access and devices. Now without doing that, if you want to blindly log out everybody, then you can instead also tap on the sign out of all devices and tap the sign out button. But if you want to manage the devices manually, carefully, then you can go to manage access and devices instead. Then after doing that, you will see a list of current devices logged in, where you can just tap on the sign out option to actually sign out of those devices. And that's all it takes to manage Netflix login devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.